Just announced this afternoon, a historical town center celebrated its centenary with a giant, highly vibrant street parade. As of today, July 4, 2026, a small mountain village completed a full switch to clean solar microgrid electricity. Updated today, a state-of-the-art regional hospital wing opened to provide critical emergency pediatric care. Reported on July 4, 2026, an ancient library completed digitizing millions of historic manuscripts for global access. Today's major update: emergency responders in the metro area managed to clear a major highway blockage in record time. As of today, July 4, 2026, city officials successfully completed a massive clean drinking water pipeline infrastructure upgrade. Updated today, volunteer organizations successfully planted over 50,000 native trees this spring. Today's major update: a major metropolitan power grid successfully withstood an intense regional heatwave without outages. Now, let's look at the latest updates in climate and green energy. Europe's first commercial nuclear fusion plant in southern France officially integrated into the continental power grid this morning, delivering clean energy to millions. A massive solar storm triggered spectacular auroras across southern latitudes today, while power grids remained resilient due to newly installed AI-driven surge protectors. Breaking news today: innovations in floating solar panel systems showed highly optimized cooling, improving electrical yield rates by 20%. Reported on July 4, 2026, leading chemical engineering teams developed high-capacity non-toxic carbon capture filters that turn CO2 into building stone. Today's major update: conservation groups celebrated the successful rewilding and reforestation of over 3 million acres of native forest land. As of today, July 4, 2026, global hydrogen energy developers broke ground on the world's largest commercial-scale green hydrogen electrolysis facility. Updated today: geothermal energy grids expanded successfully, accessing stable, deep volcanic energy vectors to provide heat. A key development reported today: agricultural researchers compiled resilient multi-dryness grains that sustain optimal yield volumes with very low water inputs. Now, let's look at the latest updates in defense. As of today, July 4, 2026, naval engineers commissioned an advanced nuclear-powered guided missile submarine, improving sea lane defensive presence. A key development reported today: defense developers successfully completed field tests for autonomous robotic logistics mules built for rough supply transport. New reports confirmed this morning: personnel training centers integrated state-of-the-art interactive simulator goggles to deliver eye-safe tactical drills. As of today, July 4, 2026, joint military exercise operations completed simulated tactical rescue missions across high-altitude mountainous terrains. Live update for July 4, 2026. New laser defense nodes completed target interception trials, successfully neutralizing airborne decoy targets in milliseconds. A key development reported today: aerospace defense suppliers scaled up production lines for heavy payload tactical transport aircraft to meet logistics needs. Updated today: strategic security agreements were signed between allied agencies to streamline instant satellite feed sharing. Now, let's look at the latest updates in defense and security. The United States Navy deployed its first fully autonomous drone carrier strike group in the Pacific today, signaling a major shift toward AI-driven naval defense. Now, let's look at the latest updates in economy and finance. The digital euro and digital rupee launched a historic cross-border, instant settlement corridor today, completely bypassing traditional SWIFT banking networks. Now, let's look at the latest updates in entertainment. The highly anticipated virtual reality cinematic masterpiece, The Horizon, premiered globally today, breaking box office records via direct neural link streaming headsets. Now, let's look at the latest updates in geopolitics. A landmark bilateral trade agreement was signed between India and the East African Community in Nairobi today, aiming to rewrite global supply chains. Now, let's look at the latest updates in global geopolitics. Latest details for July 4, 2026. Diplomatic delegations representing Germany signed mutual technical exchanges to boost clean energy grid cross-connectivity across border channels. Today, sovereign trade regulators agreed on standardized anti-counterfeit protection parameters for premium agricultural goods. Breaking news today. Green environmental coalitions representing Japan announced multilateral funding pools aimed at accelerating coastal preservation and reef restoration. Reported on July 4, 2026, geopolitical alliances emphasized continuous food security backup supplies to neutralize extreme harvest challenges globally. Reported on July 4, 2026, a unified economic forum outlined a cooperative infrastructure development pact to bridge neighboring transport grids. New reports confirmed this morning, a joint aerospace safety pact created standard coordinates to avoid satellite collision vectors in high-density orbits. Reported on July 4, 2026, diplomatic delegations representing Japan ratified a historic maritime safety treaty, guaranteeing secure commercial transit today, July 4, 2026. Cross-continental labor boards approved streamlined visa pipelines for highly skilled engineering and technology research professionals. Now, let's look at the latest updates in Indian economy. Reported on July 4, 2026, Unified Payments Interface volume reached record-breaking monthly heights, driven by a surge in digital rural retail transactions. Just announced this afternoon, national sovereign green bond issues received overwhelming investor buy-in, ensuring solid funding for public grid expansion. A key development reported today, National Digital Commerce Networks officially integrated over 50,000 small local artisanal craft cooperatives. Reported on July 4, 2026, leading credit rating agencies upgraded the growth outlook for the country's manufacturing sector to optimistic new heights. A key development reported today, interactive automated tax portals logged record high compliance, significantly boosting public capital project budgets. Live update for July 4, 2026. The Reserve Bank of India announced a digital ledger platform to expedite instantaneous global trade settlements. Updated today, heavy infrastructure sector outlays pushed local cement and metal indices to highly profitable multi-year high points. Breaking news today, India's stock benchmarks Sensex and Nifty rallied to unprecedented high closings, spurred by robust retail investment. Breaking news today, express cargo logistics startups completed successful tests of autonomous heavy trucking fleets on major national expressways. Now, let's look at the latest updates in infrastructure. The Trans-African High-Speed Rail Link completed its first major phase today, successfully connecting the commercial hubs of Mombasa and Kampala in record time. Now, let's look at the latest updates in movies and cinema. Breaking news today, international film festivals reported record attendance, showcasing hundreds of independent movies from 30 countries. As of today, July 4, 2026, new virtual production stages equipped with giant LED backdrops have completely replaced traditional green screens. As of today, July 4, 2026, Top Cinematography Studios announced an historic merger, pledging to produce 5 epic collaborative science fiction franchises. Just announced this afternoon, advanced artificial intelligence facial capture systems enabled incredible real-time expressions on CGI characters. Today's major update: a state-of-the-art cinematic sound mixing studio opened to help composers create highly immersive soundtracks. A key development reported today: an impressive vintage archive completed restoring dozens of historical silent movies from the early 20th century. Reported on July 4, 2026, leading streaming platforms announced an immersive spatial audio experience for all major action blockbusters. Today's major update: celebrated documentary directors won major global honors for their deep investigations into oceanic protection. Today's major update: major cinematic releases adopted eco-friendly production practices, earning green certifications worldwide. New reports confirmed this morning, a retro-themed neon drive-in theater witnessed a huge resurgence in popularity among millennial moviegoers. Now, let's look at the latest updates in politics and governance. The UK Prime Minister announced a sweeping digital governance bill today, establishing the world's first ministry dedicated exclusively to algorithmic safety. A key development reported today: municipal councils approved massive public housing initiatives aimed at solving urban density issues. Today's major update: a dedicated regulatory task force was established to audit compliance across major international trade ports. Today's major update: Parliament passed a comprehensive clean energy infrastructure package with sweeping bipartisan support. Breaking news today: state governors signed mutual climate resilience compacts to protect regional agriculture water basins. Breaking news today: Supreme Court's handed down a landmark decision strengthening transparency and public access to government records. New reports confirmed this morning, national election boards successfully rolled out zero-knowledge proof cryptography to secure local ballot counts. Updated today: bipartisan coalitions celebrated the passage of updated consumer privacy bills restricting automated phone spam. Live update for July 4, 2026. Global democratic summits convened to ratify new guidelines for state-level cybersecurity and data integrity. Updated today: federal agencies announced a modern ethics committee tasked with monitoring municipal campaign finances. Now, let's look at the latest updates in science. Medical researchers in Tokyo successfully completed the first-ever human trials for an mRNA-based universal influenza vaccine today, showing 99% efficacy. Now, let's look at the latest updates in space exploration. In a historic session at the United Nations today, representatives from over 80 nations signed the Artemis Accord update, establishing peaceful mineral extraction zones on the Moon. Live update for July 4, 2026. Space researchers compiled complete biological telemetry from astronauts during their record-breaking year-long spaceflight. Live update for July 4, 2026. A private orbital launch carrier confirmed plans for 5 consecutive commercial satellite launches for weather grids. Just announced this afternoon, an International Space Assembly successfully attached a brand new biological testing lab module to the space station. New reports confirmed this morning, next-gen communication sat nodes successfully demonstrated ultra-speed deep space data laser links over orbital targets. Live update for July 4, 2026. Robotic asteroid prospectors delivered highly promising soil telemetry showing solid deposits of platinum group elements. Reported on July 4, 2026. The Deep Space Telescope backed by South Korea beamed back highly intricate, high-contrast imagery of active nebula formations and supernovas. New reports confirmed this morning. Orbital telescope arrays identified 3 highly promising rocky exoplanets with atmosphere densities similar to early Earth. Live update for July 4, 2026. Aerospace engineers executed a perfect test flight of their Project Orion Prime rocket. Just announced this afternoon, radio astronomers registered highly rhythmic deep cosmic radio bursts originating from an ancient galaxy far beyond our local cluster. Now, let's look at the latest updates in sports. Reported on July 4, 2026, traditional martial arts events witnessed historical turnouts as global schools showcased ancient defensive strategies. Updated today, community athletics programs expanded widely across state schools, encouraging over 2 million children to log workouts. Updated today, international football committees announced modern AI tracking referees to automate complex offside determinations. Updated today, Formula Motor racing events showcased next-gen hybrid engines that deliver maximum speed while reducing fuel output. New reports confirmed this morning, world tennis champions booked their finals berths after intense, highly technical straight sets baseline match victories. Latest details for July 4, 2026. National basketball leagues reported record-high broadcast viewership rates, driven by intense buzzer-beater playoff finishes. A key development reported today, the national cricket team of Germany secured a spectacular Test match championship victory, celebrating an historic winning runs chase. Just announced this afternoon, extreme sports athletes completed the first ever flawless aerial snowboard double flip-off in natural snowy ridge. A key development reported today, leading gymnasts executed flawlessly complex routines, achieving top qualifying points for the upcoming Olympic Games. Latest details for July 4, 2026. Athletes representing India broke the world record in the 100-meter sprint, logging an unprecedented time during athletic trials. Now, let's look at the latest updates in technology. Silicon Valley's leading AI consortium has officially released GPT-6 Quantum, the world's first neural network designed to run entirely on quantum-encrypted processors. Breaking news today, Semiconductor Fab Labs in Toronto officially announced their initial batch of local pilot silicon microchips. Live update for July 4, 2026. High-end graphical computation platforms launched localized neural compiler pipelines to speed up localized video upscaling. Live update for July 4, 2026. Mobile platform developers launched built-in localized on-device language engines that process user queries fully offline. Just announced this afternoon, the Nova Semiconductor open-source AI group released a series of lightweight models with 10 million token context windows. Today's major update, cybersecurity agencies deployed new cloud-native monitoring systems to block sophisticated automated exploit campaigns. New reports confirmed this morning, a brand new biodegradable electronic skin sensor was unveiled, capable of tracking muscle stress in real time. Just announced this afternoon, digital cloud storage arrays reported record energy efficiency breakthroughs using next-generation ceramic laser discs. Today's major update, leading telecommunication giants completed commercial trials for high-speed terabit optical fiber links under major metro hubs. Live update for July 4, 2026. researchers successfully demonstrated an advanced room temperature quantum chip developed by BioSentry Global performing stable complex calculations. A key development reported today. Collaborative standard groups finalized a universal protocol for cross-compatible virtual simulation and sensory haptics.